At the Supreme Court this week. The Supreme Court sentenced to life imprisonment a Korean pastor for human trafficking. Si Young-oh of the Korean Christian Presbyterian General Assembly was convicted of qualified trafficking under the Anti-Trafficking in Persons Act for recruiting minors under false pretenses to subject them to forced labor. In another trafficking case, the court emphasized that evidence showing a victim's sexual predisposition or past sexual behavior is not admissible in any criminal proceeding involving child sexual abuse, under the Sexual Abuse Shield Rule found in Section 30, Paragraph A of the Rule on Examination of a Child Witness. The Sexual Abuse Shield Rule aims to protect victims against invasion of privacy, potential embarrassment, and sexual stereotyping that happen when intimate sexual details are disclosed in public. This protection also encourages victims to speak up against their abusers. The Supreme Court welcomed the enactment of 8 laws establishing additional trial courts in the country. Republic Act numbers 12029 to 12036 created 21 additional regional trial courts, 2 municipal trial courts, and 3 metropolitan trial courts in different cities and municipalities in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Interested participants for the Metro Manila leg of the proposed amendments to the Rules of Civil Procedure regional consultations to be held on November 8, 2024 at the De La Salle University, Manila, may now register until October 31, 2024. Registration is also ongoing for the final leg of the proposed amendments to the Rules of Criminal Procedure regional consultations in Manila to be held on November 7, 2024. Participants may register until November 3, 2024. The regional consultations aim to engage various stakeholders, including judges, legal practitioners, and the academe, in discussing proposed amendments to the Rules of Civil Procedure and Criminal Procedure. To register, visit the Supreme Court website. The Supreme Court issued a Temporary Restraining Order or TRO against Commission on Election Resolution number 11044-A, disqualifying Mandaue City Mayor Jonas Cortez, former Albay Governor Noel Rosal, and Cebu City Mayor Michael Rama from participating as candidates in the 2025 elections following their respective dismissals by the Ombudsman. Their dismissals included the accessory penalty of perpetual disqualification to hold public office, but which the 3 argued are not yet final. In another case, the court affirmed the COMELEC's disqualification of Noel Rosal as governor of Albay Carmen, Geraldine Rosal as mayor of Legazpi City, and Jose Alfonso V. Barizo as councilor of Legazpi City during the 2022 national and local elections. They were disqualified for violating the Omnibus Election Code in disbursing and releasing government funds during the prohibited period before a regular election. And that's your Supreme Court this week. I am Tiffany Dobletran, Supreme Court Information Officer.